guys, it's Sara from Altcoin Buzz Ladies. Welcome to my rather quick video today. Before I start, guys, remember to subscribe to our channel at Altcoin Buzz Ladies. We update daily videos over here. We've got some amazing team of girls. We've got myself, Corey, Renee. We also got Haley and Brooke, as well as Candice, which you might recognize from podcasts. They are yet to make their videos, so remember to subscribe so you know when their videos will be released. Today I am gonna talk about yesterday's event being Lisk RELAUNCH. Do you guys hold any Lisk? What's your opinion about Lisk? Let me know below in the comments and we can have some sort of a conversation about it. And so I'm gonna give you a quick explanation of what I think about Lisk, my pros and cons in my opinion. One of the biggest struggles in the industry is getting developers up to speed on building blockchains and making sense of the code bases under the hood. With Bitcoin core being written primarily in C++ and Ethereum being written in Solidity, which is like an independent JavaScript-based framework. There is a lot of confusion for developers about which language to focus on learning to be able to design on them. Lisk founders Oliver Bidos and Mark Kordek saw and experienced these struggles themselves, so they decided to create a vision to make blockchain technology more accessible, considering that most of the most popular apps and the web itself runs mostly on JavaScript. Why reinvent the wheel? So you can see their team. I'm currently on their new redesigned website, which I'm gonna mention later on. Their team's got 41 members right now. Go ahead, have a look. You can read a little bit more about them, see who's behind the scenes of the project like Lisk. And also their roadmap is over here. Lisk is a platform designed for the development and distribution of fully featured, easy to use JavaScript-based decentralized applications. It also acts as a decentralized payment system and money network, which you can do by using the LSK coins. It was thought from Crypti actually, not from Ethereum as it is widely thought. So I'll talk about the advantages and disadvantages of Lisk. And I'm gonna go a bit all over their website because I couldn't decide how I wanted to structure this video, but I thought I'll first explain to you what Lisk actually is and what the rebrand actually came out with. Remember guys, whatever I say here is not professional financial advice. I'm just here giving you my opinion. You can agree with me, you can disagree with me. If you like those videos, give us a like, comment underneath them. And yeah, let's crack on with the advantages, pros and cons of Lisk. So Lisk offers incredibly speed transactions, has hard-coded transaction fees at 0.1 LSK, and a steady mobile client with dynamic fees set to be released in the near future. Traders can expect to make transactions without costs and basically getting out of hand, which is basically something that needs to happen before Lisk goes any further with their prices. In addition to all those dynamic transactions, Lisk has undergone the complete rebranding, including a release of its software development kit, something which will definitely trigger the cryptocurrency, which I'm also gonna talk about in a minute. It's because Lisk is a decentralized building platform which provides developers the opportunity to create apps using the JavaScript. In comparison, cryptocurrencies like Ethereum require developers to learn a language native to their currency. This basically makes Lisk a far more attractive proposition for developers to build different types of applications while relying on the sort of smart contracts technology typically afforded by currencies like Ethereum. Applications are built on sidechains which are subsequently connected to the primary Lisk blockchain. But what does it mean for Lisk? Essentially, any application issues will be restricted to the relevant sidechain without impacting on the primary chain. It subsequently means that thousands of apps can be built using Lisk, which can simultaneously without clogging up basically the primary blockchain, which is absolutely brilliant, I think. Okay, so the rebranding, I've already said a couple of things that were about to happen. I was meant to keep them quiet, but it's quite hard to because it was quite an interesting event last night. So here is the Lisk relaunch leaflet, if I can call it that way, and it was definitely one of the biggest news around the Lisk ecosystem. The relaunch was scheduled for yesterday, and the official rebranding was set to start at 8:30. It basically covered what is there to come. So let's talk about what happened on their actual event yesterday. So the first thing I noticed is that Lisk actually raised the standard of professionalism and quality within the industry. Last night conference, I think, was one of the top quality events out there. I forgot to mention it was in Berlin. So they had a pretty clear message for the market that they were attacking. They've offered previously mentioned SDK, which is basically the most reliable sidechain development kit on the market. SDK is currently ready, but it will take a few weeks to be released to the public. Offering JavaScript is obviously the easiest and most wide-ranging access to building your own blockchain and using sidechains to solve the scalability. Lisk is aiming for the big time and they want to enable blockchain creation. It's also the easiest way to program, offering the JavaScript as the easiest and most wide-ranging access to building your own blockchain using sidechains to solve the scalability. Shows that Lisk is aiming for the big time. They're not here for the moment. They're not here to be just in top 20. They're here to achieve something. One of my favorite things is their academy, which is an incredible learning platform. Video courses, exercises. This educational platform will be the first of its kind on blockchain technology. The courses will be offered on the company's website, which you can see some of the things over here. And we'll be targeting the users who have no previous understanding in the world of blockchain. The learning platform will also offer courses in the blockchain technology, how to carry out the technology and its practical applications in solving real-life issues. It also obviously enables you to quickly understand how the Lisk platform works itself and how to develop on it, which basically is brilliant because it'll allow for a quicker adoption of the blockchain technology to these new users and offer an opportunity for growth for Lisk's user base as they will look for a new cryptocurrency investment. Also, you could have noticed their new logo, but significantly different, I think, than what it was beforehand. So guys, remember to do your own research. This is just a quick brief from me of what happened yesterday. These are just bullet points. I think you should watch the whole event. It's around 2 hours and it's available on YouTube. So let's see how Lisk is doing today as well. So Lisk is number 17 on CoinMarketCap right now. It's got 2.2, almost 2.3 market cap, and it's currently $22. You can get it on exchanges like Binance, Huobi, Poloniex, and you can get it with Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether. So yeah, it's widely available. Obviously, it's one of the top currencies, so why wouldn't it be? So what do you guys think of Lisk? Has it got potential? Was the relaunch necessary? What basically are your opinions about it? Okay guys, so remember to follow us on Twitter, Altcoin Ladies, where we pose different questions and get inspirations for videos for you guys. Also, if you like me and you want to know what I talk about on Twitter, follow me at Altcoin Sara. I share all the videos I make. I make one of gaming on Ethereum blockchain, top altcoins under $1. I also been looking at some motivational quotes and videos and everything, and this is what I came up with. So have a think about it, let me know what you think, and I'll catch you guys later.